Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 9th of October and it's just after 7 o'clock. Quite a quiet day today because it's a bank holiday in Canada, America and Japan. So not expecting a lot of action today. We've had a little bit of a red candle this morning on the Australian dollar. This has come down really nicely for us over the last 3 or 4 weeks. We've got a commercials short ratio of 6.6 to 1, which is a pretty fair extreme. The pound US dollar, a bit of good news today for the pound. Theresa May said that the Brexit is not going to be as bad as anybody reckons. So we've seen a little bit of a green candle. We still have a short ratio of 1.7 to 1, excuse me, which is an extreme for the year. And we're down below the 50 on the RSI. So I'm expecting that to fade and for the pound US dollar to continue down. Canadian dollar, we're hitting a little bit of resistance at the moment. The price has come back a little bit on the oil, but I do expect the oil to drop and for the Canadian dollar to fall. There is a commercial short ratio of 3.7 to 1. Euro US dollar had a little bit of bounce back on Friday. Excuse me. I'm expecting this to continue down though. We've got a short ratio of 1.7 to 1, which is a 3-year extreme, and we are below the 50 on the RSI. So at the best, that's going to be sort of sideways movement. Yes. USD Japanese yen. I'm expecting this to get a little, for the pair to get a little bit more strength, a little bit of weakness in the yen over the dollar. So the commercials actually have a long ratio of 3 to 1, but I'm expecting a little bit more upside to this. We are below the 69.1. So at the moment, I'm just expecting sideways movement, but a break up in the pair a little bit later into the week. The New Zealand dollar, US dollar. This gap down a little bit went at the open, but it's coming back up. But I am expecting this. It's fallen really nicely, and we're coming down towards the 30.9. I'm expecting it to break even lower. We've got a commercial short ratio of 2.3 to 1, which is a lot less than it was. This was really high ratio earlier in the year, and we're expecting this now to come down a little bit further. We'll see how it goes, but that's where I expect it to be. Silver, as I said, I got out at the red line. It didn't shoot down as I thought, and I put another trade back in, small trade, and it's starting to come back up. Well, there you go. I'm going to put a trend line on this, and we'll get back in when we break it. So just stick a trend line up and see how much further we can go up. Oil, it's still in the doldrums a little bit. It's come back a little bit. This is a 4-hour chart, so we'll see. I've got 3 trades on this, 2 in profit and 1 slight loss. So we'll see how that goes, but I am expecting this to fall back down quite nicely. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers. Bye now.